get away from me. Okay. Here, ugly, dusty, crusty, crusty bitch. Are you making a video? Oh. No. Let me out. I don't want to swim. Hey guys, welcome to the video. And today we're about to be playing Open Classroom. So, and they're so stupid. Okay. Man, shut your mouth. Your mom is so fat, she climbed Mountain Dew.
I'm not a bad mother.
Your mama ugly, your dada ugly, your sister ugly, your grandpa ugly, your grandma ugly, your brother ugly, your dad ugly, your mom ugly.
Sweetie, come here. Say your first word.
Shut up. That big white stupid mouth is shut up.
What you say to me?
That big white stupid mouth is shut up.